Outreach.io just shook the sales world by announcing the release of Outreach's AI prospecting agent. And even though I have reviewed more than 25 AI SDRs, I still haven't seen anything like Outreach.io. That's why in this video I'll share exactly why is this announcement so important, what Outreach.io is releasing, and exactly how does their AI prospecting agent work. But before we can do any of that, I need to tell you a little story. You see, the first companies to release AI sales agents were companies like 11x, AI SDR, or Artisan.co, and they did amazing with the marketing. There was so much hype around AI agents that everyone thought all salespeople would be replaced, but that wasn't the case. Those AI agents couldn't deliver on the promises or simply meet the expectations. They were far away from replacing anyone, but they were great co-pilots. Because of all of this hype and high expectations around AI sales agents, it's hard for any new company to release an AI SDR without facing skepticism. People got hurt once, so now all the new AI SDRs look like they're too good to be true. And that's what makes Outreach.io stand out. All previously built AI agents failed to fully replace salespeople, so these agents simply became co-pilots, assisting human SDRs with sales tasks. Outreach, however, is taking a different approach. Instead of building an assistant, they're building a truly independent AI coworker, an agent that can handle entire workflows from start to finish. This means that your sales team can delegate all repetitive tasks and focus on building strong relationships with your prospects, automating brain dead tasks, and spending most of their time on something AI can never do, which is having human-to-human conversations. So how did Outreach manage to do this? Well, I'm glad you asked. They built 3 tools, with each one better than the last. Let's start off with Kaya, the AI sales coach. Kaya works by recording and analyzing sales calls in real time. This way it can support sellers with needed and relevant information. Kaya analyzes your prospect's buying intent, it summarizes calls and provides you with the steps you need to take next. By shifting work from the seller to itself, Kaya helps the sellers focus on prospects and not note-taking. This makes sure that no information is missed. Everything is gathered so you can sell during the call and improve after. All of the information collected by Kaya is not only useful to the sales reps, but also sales managers. Sales managers can use insights gathered by Kaya to coach sellers. Kaya gives sales managers enough data to notice trends in their sales team and see the most common challenges their reps are facing. And all of this can help sales managers create effective sales strategies and help their sales rep become the best. Another thing created by Outreach.io that's designed purely to save your sales rep time is a smart email assist. If you ever ran cold outreach campaigns, you know that each day starts off with handling objections, answering questions, and sharing information, basically replying to prospects. This can take a lot of time, especially if the questions require to CC someone or disrupt your support team to get the right answer. Smart Email Assist eliminates both of these problems, the information gathering and the email writing, to save you time and effort. Your AI assistant will generate a response using information about your company and your products that you uploaded to the platform. And to keep everything relevant, AI agent will take previous conversations between the buyer and the seller into account. This way it minimizes the hallucination rate and keeps everything relevant. If for some reason the Smart Email Assist fails to generate a proper response, sales reps can give it extra instructions, change the tone of voice or the message length. So this tool is shifting the heavy lifting from sellers to computers, saving time and replying faster, which, as you may know, increases the chance of closing the deal. And if that's not enough for you, let's talk about the AI prospecting agent. To make it easier, I'll explain how this agent works in 3 parts, with the first one being AI account research. Your AI agent is constantly gathering information about your prospects to find the most recent and relevant signals that your sales team could leverage and close the deal. This agent has the power to find and collect first-party data, second-party data, and even third-party data signals. Information like your prospect's engagement with your website, or buying signals like recent raising rounds or hiring posts. This way your sellers can quickly find a prospect with the highest buying potential and prioritize the best leads, with all of this research being done in seconds instead of hours. Second, AI content generation. With this option, you'll have a personal assistant that will generate messages for any any type of prospects from any industry and any role, all while using your messaging style with your value proposition and pain points solved by your product or service. This AI agent is super powerful, which means it can work on a multi-channel approach, creating messages for email, LinkedIn, or even cold calling scripts. And that's not all. AI content generation works not only in your automated sequences, but also by your side. With information updated automatically, you'll have information to draft highly relevant messages and reach out to prospects at the right time, saving time and effort while increasing conversions at the same time. Lastly, the AI prospecting agent. This agent can focus on various different segments, like inbound or outbound. It can identify accounts to target based on data like industry or revenue, target prospects that you previously engaged with, or prospects who triggered certain buying signals. This agent will identify which existing prospects it should target, or even find new ones, lookalike prospects that you never ever seen before. And not only that, this AI prospecting agent is not only selling your primary product, it's also performing upsells. And the best thing is that this agent constantly researches the prospects it's reaching out to, meaning that each sentence in the message copy is personalized and relevant to that exact prospect. And if you're afraid that AI prospecting agent will mess up, simply turn the sequence from autonomous to keep the human in the loop. This way sellers can review the content before it's being sent. Now, saying all of this makes me think that Outreach AI sales agent is pretty similar to an AI SDR called Agent Frank. I think it's better if you take a look at a video explanation of Agent Frank here and tell me, are they really similar?